8 minus 6 equals 2, and then inside the parentheses, 8 minus 6 also equals 2. Finally, 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, whenever an expression contains both multiplication and division, we work from left to right, performing whichever operation appears first. The same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. The expression is 8 minus 6 multiplied by the quantity 8 minus 6. In this expression, there is one subtraction, one multiplication, and one set of parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there is a subtraction. The multiplication is shown by placing the number 6 directly beside the parentheses. In mathematics, when a number is written next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by everything inside the parentheses. For simplicity, the multiplication sign is usually omitted. According to PEMDAS, we must first solve the expression inside the parentheses. 8 minus 6 equals 2. The expression now becomes 8 minus 6 times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first. 6 times 2 equals 12. The expression now becomes 8 minus 12. Finally, 8 minus 12 equals negative 4. Therefore, the correct answer to this expression is negative 4. Now it's your turn. Solve this expression and post your answer in the comments. 3 minus 9 multiplied by the quantity 9 minus 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more fun math lessons.